How to schedule Instagram post without Facebook. So first thing that we need to make sure is if our Instagram is updated. So go to App Store, search Instagram, and if it says update, then go update it. After it's updated, go open the Instagram application. And the only way to be able to access the scheduled posting feature is to turn your account into a professional account. So go to settings, click on account, scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on the switch to professional account. Proceed to continue. Choose something that best describes you. After this, you will choose between creator and business. Click on whatever you prefer. I will click on creator. Click on next. Update your profile information. And after this, the scheduled post should be available to you. So let's try that. Go to the plus icon right here on top. Click on a photo. Go next. Scroll down and tap on the advanced settings. In here, you can now schedule content. This can be done to posts, reels, and any other posts you want to do on Instagram. So that is how you schedule Instagram posts without Facebook on the new update. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.